Right? Yes, in the previous class we have completed block 10 till S4 and the classwork. Okay, today we'll start block 12, our state. What is our state, children? What is our state? It's Telangana. Yes, right? So we'll go more in detail about our state. First we'll learn S1 borders of our state, how the borders it will be for the state and everything. I'll show you this map clearly. We'll do it. Okay, we'll display the map. Yes, children, now see the map. This is the India map. So this is the all states. This is a country map. This is India. This is a country, one country. So in one country we have different states. You can see here Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, second Himachal. Yes, this is the Himachal Pradesh, and this is Punjab, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, yes, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, and you can see here Goa, small city, small state, Goa, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. See, we live in Telangana, right? So this is our state. Which is our, what is our state? Telangana. So this is full one country, that is India. In India we live in Telangana. You can see here Telangana. Yes, children, we live in Telangana. You can see here Hyderabad. Yes, so today we are reading about the borders of our state. This is our state, no? So we have the borders. You can see here. You can see the borders here. See, these are the borders. Yes, so this is one state and you have the other border here. Yes, so this is the other states. The line between the two states is called border. This is the border between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. This is the border between Chhattisgarh and Telangana. This is the border between Maharashtra and Telangana. This is the border between Karnataka and Telangana. Like that, the surrounding states. Telangana surrounding states are Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. So these line is called the border. See, for every state you have the border. Yes, for every state you have the border. The line between the from one state to other state is called border. And you can also see this is one country, that is our India. Yes, children, one country, that is India. And you can see here other states also. Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, yes, China. Yes, these are the other countries that are surrounding India. So this is also one border. See, you can see this is full is one border. This is full India map. You know India map, right? This is full India and surrounded with some countries. So this is the border from one country to, this is the border from one state to other state, and this is the border from one country to other country. This is India and this is Pakistan. This is India and this is Nepal. This is the border of the Nepal and border of the countries between India and Nepal. Yes, children, this is about the borders of the country. And you can now you can see example. I'll say example, you live in one house, right? So from one room to other room, or else from your house to outer house, it will be different, right? From your house and other house will have some border, some walls to divide. This is one house and this is one house, or else from room to room you have one wall. That is called border type. how we have borders for the different states. Like that, in our house we have the wall from one room to other room. How we have the wall? Like that only we have the border from one state to the other state. So this is the walls and doors. The area means from one room to other room. How we decide the wall? Means this will divide it. We'll keep a wall and we'll say this is one room and this is one room. We will divide this and we'll say this is Maharashtra and this is Madhya Pradesh. So this is called the border. Like you can see, this is Telangana, right? You can see this is Telangana, and our states end at the border and the other state begin there. So one our state tells us which area are the parts of our state. This is the area of Telangana. This is the area of Andhra Pradesh. A border is a line that people make to divide one state or one country from another. From one country to another country, the border will decide. Okay. Now you can say, if you come here, this is Pakistan. If you come here, this is India. So how you will decide? The border will decide where you are. Okay. Usually we can't actually see the line, children. Whenever you go there, we can't see the line. In some places there may be gates, like you have India Gate, like that. Like that, in some places there may be gates or signs that say that we are closing the border. Now from coming to here, like we are in Nepal, India and Nepal, some sign it will be, means now you are ending here and you are starting here. The India border ends here and Nepal border starts here. So like that, some sign it will be, so that we'll get to know which is where is India and where is Nepal. Some, now you can see here lines, same like that lines it will not be really, but there will be some signs. They will write or they will show some signs. The border is ending here and the Nepal is starting here. They will show the lines. This is about the borders of the states. Okay children, do we have other states around our states? Yes children, do we have other states around our states? Yes, we have. You can see here Karnataka, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Yes, Telangana has the surrounding some other states which divides the border, children. Okay. Now everyone open your volume 2 workbook, page number 20, children. Open your volume 2 workbook, page number 20. Children, did you open your workbook, volume 2 workbook, page number 20? We are doing borders of our state, children. Okay, write today's date, children. What is today's date? 5-11-2020. Okay children, write today's date. Borders of our state. First question, write one thing that the border of our state tells us about our state. What did the border of our state tells us? The border of our state shows that the area that are part of our state. Which is area? You can see here the border will say that this is part of our state. So the border will only say that this is part of only Telangana state and this is the part of only Andhra Pradesh. So the border will say us. Yes, that is only the answer. Let's write the answer. Yes children, this is the answer. The border of our state shows us the area that are part of our state. Okay children, now second bit. Look at the map handout you in the group. We are not there in the group, so we will write the answers. Okay, I'll say you the answers. One city you can see on the map that is inside the border of our state. So this is our state, right? So up of this is the starting, children. So up here it will be Adilabad, children. So the first inside the border of our state is Adilabad. Adilabad, Adilabad. Nearby that state, that district, what we have? Second one. See the second question. One thing you can see on the map that is outside the border of our state. What is outside? This is the border, right? This is the border. So here is the Adilabad. So after Adilabad, which state you have here outside? You have Maharashtra. So you have to write here Maharashtra. 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 These are the answers, children. Okay. Now, third question. This is a map of the state of Kerala. This is the map of the state of Kerala. Look at the map and answer the questions. Yes, you have to see the map and you have to answer the questions. Name 2 states that touch Kerala. See, you can see here in the picture, Kerala here. Which 2 states are touching to Kerala? You can see the borders here. Yes, children, you can see, right? Which 2 states are touching? Yes, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So, the answer is Karnataka. Karnata. Karnataka. And B1 is Tamil Nadu. You can observe the map, children. You have the borders there. Yes, you can observe the map. Here it is Kerala, right? So you can see the border here. And the 2 states are touching to Kerala. So, name 2 states that touch Kerala is Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Now, second question. What else you can see near the border of Kerala? What you can see more? We have wrote Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Those are the states. More what you can see near Kerala? Yes, you can see Arabian Sea here. It is a sea, full of water it will be. It is a sea. So, you can see there Arabian Sea. Arabian. Arabian Sea. So, by using the map, we wrote the answers. Yes, children, this is the first answer. This is the second answer. And this is the third answer. Okay, children. Now, everyone complete your workbook. And now, everyone open your reader, children. Nothing is there to read from the reader. In the last, we'll read the full topic, children. Full topic of our state. Now, let's only do the classwork. Okay, children? Draw the borders and write our state heading, block 12, our state heading, and write it down. This 3 as keywords and write this 3 glossaries, children. Okay, write and keep it. In the next class, we'll do the next bit. Okay, complete your workbook, S1 workbook, page number 20, and write this 3 keywords and write the glossary. Draw the margin and draw the margin with any dark color and write our block 12, our states, and write these 3 keywords and write this 3 glossary, children. Okay, thank you.